Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I will be showing you how to add a pop-up box in your Wix website today. So how to create a advert or a box of text or images that pops up on the website and then disappears. So to do that, luckily for us, it's got the ability built into Wix to do so. If we go to the Add Elements button in the top left hand corner, which is the little plus symbol, give that a single left click, and what you need to do is go to the interactive section here, which is about halfway down the menu. And then what we're looking for are these light boxes. Now, you can achieve something similar with a hover box, but a light box is essentially a pop-up box for us, okay? So like a pop-up message, or you could use it for a whole host of reasons, but it essentially is a pop-up box, okay? So use a template which closely resembles what you'd like, and you can modify it to fit your needs then. So I'm going to pick this one. Apologies, back into light boxes, and then we'll pick this one here at the very top, okay? So we're back, just single click and drag that onto your page, and you can see that it automatically then kind of takes over the page. So that's what it will kind of display as when the end user comes to this page now, okay? So just for your information, if you do now go to the Pages and Menu button here on the toolbar, and you'll see that light boxes have been added as a kind of set of pages to your website. So if you ever need to go back to your main menu page, just go up to Site Menu and Home, and then to edit the actual pop-up message or the light box, then navigate back to light box and then this announcement one here, okay? Obviously, just the same as a page, you can edit things there through settings, duplicate, rename, and delete as well with those three little dots there, okay? So just a little bit of management of the light box. And then once you're happy, you can start editing what's here. It's literally just the same as text fields and images. So you could add things into it, you could modify the text, you can kind of stylize it just as you would anything else in Wix. The only thing that's separate to that then would be if you go here to the Set Triggers button. That allows you to engage with a couple of settings that dictate the behavior of this pop-up box, okay? So automatically display light box on pages, obviously yes, we want that. You can choose which page that it appears on. You can kind of tick them off like that and select them to make sure that the pop-up box doesn't appear somewhere that it doesn't need to be. So you can kind of be quite selective there on which pages it does appear on and which it doesn't, with a single left click. And then if we go and change that back to the home page as well, like so. You can give it a delay then in terms of, you know, how many seconds it takes for it to appear, and then how to close it as well. So there's an X icon, and you can also add a close button. So you can see that the X icon is there on the top right hand corner, and then when we add the close button, we'll see that in a second now when I give you a preview of it. You can change the title of it here as well, and you can obviously access the layout settings for it. Some very basic settings there, just like you would a normal box. And then obviously the Manage Light Boxes button takes you back to the Pages and Menu tab there, which I showed you earlier. So to give it a preview now of what that would look like, so we navigate to our website, the site loads, and then that pops up, and you can see the close button is there, and you've also got this X here. You can also click away from the pop-up box and it disappears as well, and that would take you to the website then, as so. Okay, so that's how to create a pop-up box or pop-up message in Wix, and that concludes our video tutorial. If you want to get traffic and sales to your website for free, then be sure to click the link in the description below. I've dropped a link where you can get unlimited free Google ads to drive traffic and sales to your website. It's 100% free and very easy to do. It's also completely legal for those of you who might be wondering. So if you need free traffic and sales to your website, claim your free ads down below. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more, give us a subscribe and like the video. And if you've got any ideas for future videos, leave them as a comment below as well. Thank you very much.